Alright guys, we are going to look over day 3, the function composition. I will answer 2 questions, so choose wisely. Not only will I show you how to find it by hand, but I'm going to show you how to use your calculator today. The reason of it is that some of you have decided to purchase this calculator, okay? And when you purchase this calculator, I've recently discovered that they no longer have this Model 1 anymore. Okay, it's become obsolete. Now they have the CAS number 2 model. So it's got nice blue trim or whatnot, and it's a little cheaper than what this one is. Okay, yes, it works just as well, but please make sure that you understand the CAS means you can use it in class, you can use it on PSAT, SAT, even on AP exams, but you will not be able to use it on ACT. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and move forward. What I show you with this calculator, that blue one that you buy, you'll be able to do everything that this calculator does as well. Any questions? Alright, which question do you want to work out together? 21. So let's all go to 21. Alright. And 21 looks like the following. 21 is asking, this is a really good question to go over. What is g of f of negative 2 plus x? Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to plug in this input into f first. Remember that letter that was closest to it. So I need to find, in f, where is it accepting these inputs? And it's accepting these inputs right here and right here. So I would draw the bare bones as something squared plus 3 times something. And what I'm going to plug in is the negative 2 plus x, negative 2 plus x. That's what we're doing on the first step. Okay? So now, this right here, you need to understand, it's this squared. Because this is addition, not multiplication, because it's addition, this is a frequent mistake that a lot of people make. I would say 95% of people make this mistake at some point or time. This is equivalent to writing it down 2 times. So it's like making a carbon copy. And now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute FOIL this. Those of you who learned the box method, FOIL is just the same. It's just a little bit different as far as the visual. First, outside, inside, and last. Let me color coordinate it to make it easy for you. The first numbers, whoops, are going to be right here and here. We're going to multiply them. Anyone, what do I get?
Negative
4. So I get a positive 4. Now, the outside numbers are going to be this outside number and this outside number. And when I multiply them, what do I get? Negative 2x. Okay, so this is minus. Let's do the inside numbers, which are positive x and negative 2. Those are the insidemost numbers. We get another negative 2x. And then the very, very last number that we get is we're going to times this positive x and positive x, anyone, to get what? X squared. Now, we just worked with this piece. That's it. And if I simplify all this out together, I get 4 minus 4x plus x squared. That means I would write it right here, and I would still have to continue with this piece. Something else is going on right here, okay? I'm going to distribute this 3 across both of these numbers. So you tell me, positive 3, negative 2, what do I write? Negative 6. Positive 3, positive x, 3x. So this is what I'm going to get simply by plugging this into f. All that was the very first step. Okay, so let's simplify before we plug it into g. So, combining like terms. These belong with the same family. So I have x squared. What do I have xy's left over? Negative x. Now I have these belong to the same family. What would they give me? Negative 2. Okay? This is just the result output from the first step. Okay? Now let's throw all of this in to G. You with me? All right, so G is this right here, which is 2 times something minus 2. So all of this right here, that was my answer from the first step. Let me make a little bit more room. I'm going to throw into this second piece. So we have parentheses minus 2. So we'll have x squared minus x minus 2, and this will be the answer, after we simplify it, of our original question. Go with me? All right, so let's keep going. We will distribute so that we get 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. We still have to subtract this 2 at the very end, and I will get, let me write it up here so those of you in the back can see, I will get a final answer. Come on. Of 2x squared minus 2x minus 6. This is the answer of g of f of negative 2 plus x. Now look, what I'm about to show you hopefully will blow you away just a little bit, is what I want you to use a calculator for. Now, we just had tutoring where people came in, whoops, they forgot to sign the log, no worries, but they came in for tutoring. There's about 15 people in here. Sometimes I can't give you that one-on-one, but if you want to buy one of these calculators, I'm going to show you how this can help me help you. Now, what I want you to do right now is I want you to get your calculator, and you're going to follow me very carefully, okay? All right, here we go. With the calculator, home to, menu C, okay, okay. It's just clearing the calculator, guys. We just cleared it. Right here. Here are the instructions, right here.
It's the home, it's the on button.
Yeah. All right, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to start, and if you fall behind, well, guys, I don't have time to teach you the calculator one-on-one right now. Just watch the video later, okay? I want you to press 1 for a new document, 1 for add a calculator page, and then I want you to go to Control, add a page, so Control Doc, top right, and I want you to press 2. Guys, this is the way you should set up your calculator all the time, okay? Sometimes we may even have up to 4 or 5 pages. Those of you, don't follow me right now, but those of you who use this scratch pad right here, I don't want you pressing A and B from this screen because you're not using the calculator to what I'm trying to show you to, okay? I want you to use these documents on the right side. So I'm going to press 4 to go back to what we were on just now. Here we go. So let's all soft mouse and go to the first page. So soft mouse and press the first page. But what I'm going to show you is going to come in handy a lot. And I'm talking about whenever we have Eagle Time tutorials, you guys can check. You can come in and use the calculator to check the answers that you got. Now, I hope you don't come in to use the calculators to just get the answers to the homework, because the quizzes and the tests will sometimes be no calculator. This is only to be used as a checking tool for now. But at the same time, you're learning the calculator. Okay? Here we go. Follow me. What we're going to do is we're going to put in what our functions were for number 21. Okay? Here we go. Follow me carefully. 2x minus 2. Okay? And follow me. I want you to press Control var. Var is that button above 9. Because look, if I press the Control button, I'm accessing all these blue letter features. What do you think STO stands for? No, it's store. You're going to store the function. So on this function, we're going to store 2x minus 2 into g of x. So let's put g of x, and then we'll press enter. Okay? Now, we're going to go and store f of x. So we're going to say x squared. Guys, the square button is right next to 4. Okay? And then we're going to do plus 3x. Now, control, not stupid, but control store. And we're going to store it as what? F of x. And when you press enter, it'll say done. It's stored. Again, if you fall behind, just sit there and watch, please. Now, I want to know what is g of f of negative 2 plus x. You with me? Here we go. G, notice that it's bolded. It's bolded because it's telling you this is stored somewhere, okay? So g parentheses, just like your paper, of f parentheses of negative 2 plus x. And then you can close it, or you could just press enter, and it gets the answer that we got by hand. It did all that work for us and got here. Now listen, I'm showing you for two reasons. One, you need to learn this for calculus anyway. And most people that I teach that are calc students, they don't learn this till they're in calculus. You learn it now, you're going to be beast mode when you get to me in calculus, okay? You're going to be very, very much further ahead than what they were. I don't know if that made literal sense. But anyway, so there's your answer. 2x squared minus 2x minus 6. Questions? Please. What's the calculator used for? Only to what? Check. You still have to know how to do it by hand. That's how you're going to be tested. Okay? Questions? Alright, what's the other question that y'all wanted to go? Because we got to move, because I want to get through all the notes today, and I'm using y'all's video for that notes. Any others? Okay, so then we will go ahead and we will grade.